a call was being given to see that to educate the people of this country, and a signature campaign was a call was being given to have a signature campaign. I am very proud that the party cadres, the workers, the block presidents, the booth presidents, and all the legislators, all of them joined together in their constituency. We have done more than 1 crore 21 lakhs signatures have been done, and we are presenting them, all of them, to the AICC. And still, we thought that today is the last day. But again, I think AICC has decided to have a massive, other week time, a massive gathering will be conducted in Delhi, and lots of signatures are coming from all over the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from east to west, north to south, and we are presenting. Though I may be a deputy CM, but I have come here as a party worker and the party president. It is my bound duty. My Chandrasekhar is there, my working president. Some of our DCC presidents are there. My campaigning committee chairman is there. All of us, AIC secretary, Mr. entire our Dutt and his team, under the leadership of Surjewala ji, on the direction of Mr. Venugopal ji, we have been taking up this task, and I was told that we are number 1, but still some of the states may overcome us also. I welcome them. I want other states to do better than us. That is what our requests and prayers are there. So I think they all are working very hard. I would like to congratulate and thank all the workers of this country who are doing this great job to save the vote. One man, one vote. That should be there, and the legality should be there. Looking at us, already the SIR has been announced. I would like to thank the court also, gave a direction on this issue. But still, Rahul ji walked and travelled various, about 10 days he travelled in Bihar, tried to educate them. But I know that still the government and the election commission could not cooperate on that issue. But anyway, I don't try to take that forward. Today my AICC office bearer secretaries are here who have been in charge of this collection. So I thought that I will come and present all this, whatever the signatures we have collected. Every signature has the telephone number and all the details of their booths which are there.